Kote rukurikiriza emishango y'oburi bw'enguzi muri Kampala yebembirwe muramuzi Jane Okuwu Kajuga erizoba yahaye enshara ya mushango gwo kwiba amabati agabire gariye gwo kwebwa abantu ba Karamoja aho ibyahendero myishengero wa Bududa kandi wabiro minister w'enshonga za Karamoja Agnes Nandutu gwa Musinga kandi naija kuhebwe kibonereza rwa katano rwe Sandeji omuramuzi yajyanywe n'kitangaza Nandutu kutwara amabati akabura no kureta obujurizi koreka hiyabe natamabati.
The recipient entered plainly as Honorable Agnes Nandutu. The date of issue 23rd June 2022 and the issue voucher number 7840. It also shows that at the time of issuance there were 30,033 iron sheets installed, which reduced to 28,033 after issue.
Nandutu ni kigamo ngo akariyangatanisa amabati 20 agamuzarira karukosya enshara yo muhabuzi wa koti yashomwa sara n'amaweje kandi yajyangwa kurigera abujurizi orubajoro hababirwe no bujurizi oburi kumara Nandutu akatwara amabati.
She confirms that she was allotted 2,000 iron sheets by Minister Tutu and Osborne confirmed the same when she called him. She also confirmed sending her assistant to collect them.
Omugambirizi wa ofisi yo muhabe mukuru najyango buno businguza abantu ba Karamoja kandi bino kushemerwa bwo kushara mu kwa koti.
She was directed to ask for Osborne. A few days later, she organized for a truck registration number UAZ 347B and collected the 2,000 iron sheets as instructed. PW1 also testified that she took the iron sheets to her garage and kept them there until they were collected from John Watenga, who is the accused's farm manager. And it was the accused who had directed that they be taken to her farm in Kikono. The prosecution has proved all the elements of the offense to the required standard. The assessors advised me to convict the accused.
Ndi Anita Tukunda.